Hi beautiful people, my name is Alora and I'm going on a holiday. It is very exciting. I have already booked everything like 2 months ago, and of course I'm going to take you with me. Don't worry, the next 2 weeks will all be about my vlog and what I did and how it was on the vacation. I am going to Munich and then I'm going to Vienna. I will be visiting those 2 cities, and I am also going with 2 of my best friends and my girlfriend. Yes, this video will be about me just prepping and glowing up before I actually go on the holiday. Today is Wednesday, that means I have 2 more days before I have to go on Saturday, and I just wanted to start with a little mental glow up. That means I am going to do a digital declutter. I will be freeing up storage on my phone. I will be going through emails, old chats, photos, videos, of which I have a lot since I create lots of content for you, and I will just be going through my storage and deleting everything that is not serving me anymore, because I really need the space to document this beautiful experience that I will be having. So that is my first step. The actual preparation and actual glowing up will start tomorrow.